चलो यार, क्लाइमेट तो बहुत मस्त लग रहा है। सिम्बा, बाहर चले घूमने कहीं? चलो देखते हैं, एक काम करते हैं। कहाँ पे चला जा सकता है?
टाइम हो रहा है, 3 बज रहा है। 3 बजने पे
कहीं पास में चलते हैं ना, कोई पास जगह जहाँ पे।
हाँ, एक जगह है, चलो लेके चलती हूँ।
चलो फिर
चलो
निकलते
होते
हैं।
हैं।
चलिए।
सिम्बा, लेट्स गो। चलिए, लेट्स
चलो या लेट्स गो गाइस। चलो गाइस, फाइनली हम लोग जा रहे हैं, लेकिन कहाँ जा रही है सरप्राइज था। तो आई थिंक आप बता सकते हो हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं।
So we are going to Rayanagara Dodi Lake, which is in Ramnagara.
ठीक है,
So
लेकिन हम लोगों ने लास्ट मोमेंट में डिसाइड किया, क्योंकि ऑल ऑफ सडन क्लाइमेट इतना अच्छा था, तो हम लोगों ने बोला कि चलो चलते हैं। सो राइट नाउ आप देख सकते हैं क्लाइमेट बहुत ही अमेजिंग है, और ऐसे क्लाइमेट में अगर आप ड्राइव करते हो तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एंड इट इज़ अ सरप्राइज टू मी ऑल्सो, सरप्राइज टू एवरीवन, एंड समटाइम इट इज़ बेटर टू गो विद द फ्लो। सो आई थिंक वी डिसाइडेड टू गो विद द फ्लो ऑफ दैट। और आगे चल के देखते हैं कि कैसा रहेगा। आई एम नॉट टू श्योर अबाउट द टाइमिंग, बिकॉज इन गूगल इट वाज शोइंग अबाउट 5:30, और अभी ऑलमोस्ट 4:15 4:20 हो रहा है। टाइम क्या हो रहा है अभी?
अभी हो रहे 4 बज रहे।
4 बज रहा है। सो वी आर अबाउट 1 hour 1.5 hours अवे फ्रॉम द प्लेस। देखते हैं कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, बट इट इज फन फैक्ट। ओके, संडे आफ्टरनून है, तो इट्स गुड टू गो आउट एंड एक्सप्लोर। आप कितने, आप जब मंडे टू फ्राइडे हर समय बोलता हूँ काम करते हो, तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आप लोगों को ये लगना चाहिए कि थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन मिल जाए। अगर ऐसा रोड हो तो अमेजिंग है, नाइस रोड है। टोल्स के मैं बारे में आपको बता दूंगा कि कहाँ कहाँ है। ये हमारा सेकंड टोल है, और वहाँ पहुँचने में कितना टाइम लगेगा वो भी बता दूंगा। रास्ते में हम लोगों ने ये सोचा है कि क्योंकि ऑलरेडी खाना बन चुका था, हमें पता नहीं था कि हम लोग बाहर निकलेंगे, तो हमने ये सोचा कि खाना लेके चला जाए और रास्ते में थोड़ा सा कुकिंग भी की जाए। सो विल हॉल्ट समवेयर जहाँ पे कोई अच्छी लोकेशन होगी, एंड देन वी आर गोना कुक एंड ईट, बिकॉज आई एम हंग्री। आई डिड नॉट ईट माई लंच। सडन प्लान था तो लंच भी नहीं खाया, तो अभी जाएंगे रास्ते में खाएंगे। लेट्स get that kind of experience, and I feel like this is an excitement that we need to always achieve or bring in our lives. चलिए आगे देखते हैं कैसा है, और उसके बाद I'll keep giving you the update कि whether this is a worth investing a half a day enjoying it with your family. That is great. So guys, finally हम लोग we reached here. I think we are on time because of the road. The road was pretty good, so मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. This is called as रायनगर. Okay, चलो यहाँ से देखने में तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm sure like it's going to give us more value. Ample amount of parking है, so I don't think so there should be any problem with the parking. And I think we are going to settle somewhere on this side of the car, and क्योंकि खाने के लिए कुछ करेंगे यहाँ पे, because right now we are running short on the time and we need to make sure that we reach and see what exactly is there. There are people who are sitting on the mountain. I think that looks much mesmerizing and the climate is amazing. So let's go and see कि क्या है यहाँ पे, and I'll give you the information. फिर खाना खाने के बाद थोड़ी एनर्जी आ जाएगी, then we are going to speak more on this place. Come guys, let's go. Nothing beyond that. But if you look into this, काफ़ी mesmerizing climate और greenery है. So, guys, finally we are reached here. Looks amazing, mesmerizing. And what I found here is the banana ride is about 300 rupees per person. We have a speedboat which is going to be about 1,000 bucks with 4 members, and individually also there is 200 rupees per person, which is good, which we have taken. You have a pedal boat, you have a kayaking. I think there is a lot of activity which can be done. And when it was mentioned that this is going to close by 5:30, eventually it is still open because there are a lot of people, a lot of crowd. So I believe that it can be a good place to come enjoy. And I'm just shaking because I am on the water right now, but it is good. It's amazing to be a part of this place. Just 53 kilometers, 54 kilometers from Bangalore. I think it is good to be a part of this kind of evening. So I believe that you can come, everybody can come with a family and enjoy this trip. Thanks, guys. So, guys, arrangement is done, everything is fixed. Let's light it. I think this has to be lit this way. It has.
Water.
Wow.
Get water.
Okay, and can we have this? Okay.
Wait, let's get the water to make it this hot. So we got the ready-made one chole, so you just have to make it hot. Maybe like, will not take much time for us to make it hot.
Let's make it. Let's see how it is going to be. It's a ready-made one. Good enough?
Some more. Because it's full package.
Still more.
Mm.
Perfectly fine.
Is it on?
Yep, it is. See. Just 1 second.
I'll just keep it then.
Well, that's it. I don't think so. We need to do anything else. We have got the rice, we have got the dal, sabzi is getting cooked.
So the things from this one, jigs.
Yeah, that's good. So,
We just have to keep it for 3 to 5 minutes.
Mhm.
3 to 5 minutes, and after that we can empty the packet and have it. So if it is microwave, it just for 1 to 2 minutes we just have to do it. Since we have come outside, we just want to see how the first time we are trying this one. So let's see how it is going to be.
let's see. Like I'm pretty open for having an experiment. This chair is more comfortable, but it is on a lower height side. But good for camping to come and sit. The place looks absolutely great. Post this, we are going to have. We'll make a chai and then we'll see, how the climate is. We are going to enjoy this for some more time. Yeah, Simba, your food is here. Simba? So finally Simba also got the food. He is little scared when he comes out. So basically, this is what I can say. When you are carrying your pet, make sure that your pet is outside friendly. Ours is not, so we are making it to be more friendly now. He tends to get little scared. That's perfectly fine, but he'll get adjusted and adapted to it. चलो guys, देखते हैं कितना कुक हुआ है, कितना कुक नहीं हुआ है. Let's see. गरम तो है. Give me the cloth. Sure. So we forgot to get that. Always next time. Okay. It'll be hot. Take hold this one. Put it down. Chalo. Well, looks really great actually. I'm not too sure if you guys can see, but we'll put it in the plate. It is too hot.
Take this spoon. Wait.
Give me the bigger spoon.
Take this. Give it a miss.
Chalo. Give me the rice. I'll open this.
पैक करके डालो जल्दी से।
So, somebody is really hungry.
Keep it down.
But I can see right now, still the people are just coming in. So I'm not too sure about that, if it closes exactly by 6:30 or not. But yeah.
काफी है।
चलो take the plate. ज़्यादा नहीं है. You'll eat that much only. Don't tell all this.
मैं इतना नहीं खाती हूँ।
So guys, we did not cook too many things. Since I told you that we had no plans to come, but
Is it?
This is perfect.
Like that. If it is like has to.
ओ ये
Yeah,
Hold up.
yeah, put it.
पहले हम छोले से खाए के बहुत दर्द से खाए।
Good enough. This is our first time that we are having like a picnic
वही
kind of thing. But when you're hungry, absolutely hungry.
जल्दी
Can I eat with spoon?
I'm going to eat with a spoon. Get me like
You
this.
also?
Something, yes.
आप दोनों प्लेट डाल जल्दी।
Put it like this now. Better option. Just turn it. Done.
For you?
Are you sure?
हम छोले से खाएंगे पहले।
Okay.
Okay.
You eat with chole. I'll give little chole to mama. Pickle?
आपको भी कुछ pickle चाहिए?
ले लो. ले लो.
Aisha can get it and take the pickle from me.
So guys,
चल
looks good. Let's show this. Okay. Then we are eating this, and here for Aishu, this is what we are eating.
Put this one little bit to him.
दाल तो नहीं खाया वो.
To him. Dog.
I'm not too sure if dog is going to eat. Okay, Aishu, can you give me the pickle?
Spoon.
It's okay. I have the spoon. You want?
जितना चाहिए उतना
Sure.
मेरा छोले और पैसा।
Cheers.
Cheers।
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Let's eat, guys, and then I'll make one tea because the climate looks really stunning. So I think a tea is really required. So when we are preparing tea, we'll come back to you guys. Thanks.